Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru, and today I'll be showing you how to hide the online status on WhatsApp. And now let's dive right in. Now, to hide your online status on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp app on your phone like this, and to proceed from over here at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three dotted icon available over there. Tap on that three dotted icon like this and tap on settings, and over here guys, you can see the privacy option available for us just below the avatar, which is the third one. Tap on that privacy option like this, and over here at the top of the screen, or the first option, it says last seen and online. Tap on that option like this, and guys, over here currently you can see I've selected nobody on who can see my last seen, and below where it says the who can see when I'm online, same as the last thing. And guys, if your phone options has saved it like everyone to or my contacts or in my contacts except or anybody anything, then your contacts or everyone will be able to see your online status from everyone, as well as the same as last screen. And if you want to hide it, simply tap on nobody on where it says the who can see my last scene, and where it says who can see when I'm online, you can see there is the option for same as last screen. Tap on that same as last screen like this, and then your online status on WhatsApp will be hidden. And then guys, this is how you hide the online status on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.